Hello students. Today in this class we are going to discuss about adjective. So first we will see what is adjective. Adjective are words that are used to describe or modify noun or pronoun and can go in different position in a sentence. So adjective describe about noun or pronoun and give some more information about them and can go in a different position in a sentence. It means sometimes adjective can used before noun or sometimes it is used after noun in a sentence. So we can take the example in a sentence. Ram is brave. Here brave is adjective that is used to describe noun, that is Ram, and it is used after noun. Next example we can take a beautiful child. Beautiful is adjective that is used to describe noun, that is child, and it is used before noun. Next example, a brave person. Brave is adjective that is used to describe noun, that is person, and it is used before noun. A careful mother. Careful is adjective that is used to describe noun, that is mother. We will take some more example. Rohan is very tall. Here, tall is adjective that is used to describe noun, that is Rohan. She was clever. Clever is adjective that is used to describe pronoun, that is she. I have two pencils. Two is adjective that is used to describe noun, that is pencil, and it is used before noun in a sentence. He is a lazy boy. Lazy is adjective. It is used to describe noun, that is boy. So this is about adjective. Adjectives are used to describe noun or pronoun. It gives some more information about them. So next is विशेषण. हिंदी ग्रामर में एडजेक्टिव को हम विशेषण कहते हैं. जो शब्द किसी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताते हैं उन्हें हम विशेषण कहते हैं. संज्ञा सर्वनाम के विषय में हमें कोई नई जानकारी देते हैं या उनकी विशेषता बताते हैं, उन्हें हम विशेषण कहते हैं. जैसे मकान बहुत बड़ा है. यहाँ बड़ा विशेषण शब्द है जो संज्ञा शब्द मकान की विशेषता बता रहा है. रोहन बहुत लंबा है. लंबा विशेषण शब्द है जो कि संज्ञा शब्द रोहन के विषय में हमें विशेष जानकारी दे रहा है. लड़का आलसी है. आलसी विशेषण शब्द है जो संज्ञा शब्द लड़का की विशेषता बता रहा है. टोकरी में मीठे संतरे हैं. मीठे विशेषण है, विशेषण शब्द है जो कि संज्ञा शब्द संतरे की विशेषता बता रहा है. कुछ और उदाहरणों को देखते हैं. ड्रेस बहुत सुंदर है. सुंदर विशेषण है जो कि संज्ञा शब्द ड्रेस की विशेषता बता रहा है. रीता सुंदर है. सुंदर सुंदर विशेषण है जो संज्ञा शब्द रीता की विशेषता बता रहा है, उसके विषय में हमें कुछ नई जानकारी दे रहा है. मेरी पुस्तक नई है. नई विशेषण शब्द है जो संज्ञा शब्द पुस्तक के विषय में हमें विशेष जानकारी दे रहा है. कौवा काला होता है. काला विशेषण है जो संज्ञा शब्द कौवा की विशेषता बता रहा है. इसे हम विशेषण कहते हैं. जो शब्द संज्ञा और सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताते हैं उन्हें हम विशेषण कहते हैं. Next is, now we will discuss about the different kinds of adjective. Here are the 10 kinds of adjective. Qualitative adjective, गुणवाचक विशेषण. Quantitative adjective, परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. Numeral adjective, संख्यावाचक विशेषण. Demonstrative adjective, सर्वनामिक विशेषण. Possessive adjective, अधिकारवाचक विशेषण. Distributive adjective, वितरणवाचक विशेषण. Interrogative adjective, प्रश्नवाचक विशेषण. Proper adjective, व्यक्तिवाचक विशेषण. Emphasizing adjective, बालाघात सूचक विशेषण. Exclamatory adjective, विस्मयबोधक विशेषण. Now we have categorized these adjectives in two categories: descriptive adjective and limiting adjective. Descriptive adjective describe the noun, describe the quality of noun, and limiting adjective limits the noun being described. What we have described, they limit the noun. So these are the two categories of adjective. Qualitative adjective is in the category of descriptive adjective. Now rest all adjectives are in the category of limiting adjective. So these are the different kinds of adjective. Now we will discuss about the qualitative adjective. What is qualitative adjective? The word that describe the quality of noun or pronoun are known as qualitative adjective. The word which describe quality of noun or pronoun are called qualitative adjective. For example, Miraya is an intelligent girl. Here, intelligent is qualitative adjective that describe the word noun, that is Miraya, she is a girl. In this sentence, Miraya and girl are noun, intelligent is adjective, qualitative adjective that describe the noun, that is Miraya. We can use this adjective in two ways in a sentence. Now we will see we can use this adjective in two ways in a sentence. First, that is attributive adjective. Adjective that comes before noun is called attributive adjective. The noun which comes, the adjective which comes before noun are called attributive adjective. You can take the example, Rima is a beautiful girl. Here, beautiful is attributive adjective that is used before noun, that is girl. She is a tall girl. Tall is attributive adjective that comes before noun, that is girl. The black dog is barking. Black is attributive adjective that comes before noun, that is dog. That is an expensive watch. Expensive is attributive adjective that is used before noun, that is watch. So this is about the attributive adjective. Next is predicative adjective. Adjective that comes after a noun is called predicative adjective. Predicative adjective used after a noun. Predicative adjective does not appear immediately. The noun is usually followed by a linking verb. These linking verbs are am, is, as, was, were, appear, look, taste. These are the linking verbs. So these predicative adjective, the noun predicative appear immediately. The adjective comes after a noun in a sentence and they are followed by linking verb. So we can take the example, we can see the example that the cat was black. Here black is predicative adjective that is used before noun, that is cat, and followed by linking verb was. Here you can take the example, the cat was black. Black is predicative adjective that is used before noun, that is cat, and followed by linking verb was. The flag is red. Red is predicative adjective that is used before noun, that is flag, and noun is followed by linking verb is. The girl looks happy. Happy is predicative adjective that is used after noun, that is girl, and noun is followed by linking verb looks. Tall is predicative adjective that is used after noun, that is tree, and noun is followed by linking verb is. So this is about the predicative adjective. Predicative adjective comes after noun in a sentence. Attributive adjective comes before noun in a sentence. And qualitative adjective describe the quality of noun. So this is about the qualitative adjective. Now we will discuss about गुणवाचक विशेषण. हिंदी ग्रामर में क्वालिटेटिव एडजेक्टिव को हम गुणवाचक विशेषण कहते हैं. जो शब्द संज्ञा और सर्वनाम के गुण और प्रकार को बताते हैं उन्हें गुणवाचक विशेषण कहते हैं. ये गुणवाचक विशेषण संज्ञा और सर्वनाम के गुण और उसके प्रकार को बताते हैं. हम उदाहरणों में देखते हैं. कालिदास विद्वान व्यक्ति थे. यहाँ विद्वान गुणवाचक विशेषण है जो संज्ञा शब्द कालिदास की विशेषता को, गुण को बता रहा है. इस वाक्य में कालिदास और व्यक्ति दोनों संज्ञा शब्द हैं. विद्वान गुणवाचक विशेषण है जो कालिदास की विशेषता बता रहा है. वह लंबा पेड़ है. लंबा गुणवाचक विशेषण है जो संज्ञा शब्द पेड़ की विशेषता बता रहा है. मंजू का घर पुराना है. पुराना गुणवाचक विशेषण है जो संज्ञा शब्द घर के गुण के विषय में बता रहा है. मंजू के घर के गुण के विषय में बता रहा है. यह ताजा फल है. ताजा गुणवाचक विशेषण है जो संज्ञा शब्द फल के गुण के विषय में बता रहा है. So this is about the गुणवाचक विशेषण. So in this video we have discussed about what is adjective, what are the different kinds of adjective, and we have discussed about qualitative adjective or गुणवाचक विशेषण. Thank you for watching my video.